And another whistle foul. Foul wearing jersey number 8, yung matatawagan na foul. Flawless first throw. Pasok po yung unang bitaw. Second personal foul, jersey number 8, Butla. Second and last throw, tingnan po natin. Pasok po ulit. And the timeout for the team. Kabata. Last 41 seconds, 68 against 76. Ladies and gentlemen, last 41 seconds. 40 for third place. Ito na kanilang last 41 seconds left for this fighting for third place. Bakbakan pa rin po ng Hacienda laban sa team ng Kabatang ngayon. There comes the position. And now Golden takes it out to Butlay. Sa ilalim, fake, traffic mga kaibigan, and turn over for the team Kabatang. Last 36 seconds. Kurang-kurang. And here comes the whistle foul. Foul jersey number 8, Butlay, holding foul. Butlay, that is third personal foul. And penalty. Mabibigyan na naman ang dalawang maling throw in jersey number 24.
Nag-video ko.
Ayaw, nasa ang face.
Nag-video ko.
Zoom po din mo.
Second and last throw, last 32 seconds left. Basket count. 1 on a field. 30 seconds. Last 28 seconds. Last 28 seconds. Here comes Golden. Fire is stuck. Last 22 seconds. And here comes the whistle now. Jersey number 21. You're disqualified for this game. Last 21 seconds. Butlay, first throw.
Marato.
And now second and last throw. Ayaw po ang makaligan. Last 20 seconds. And more remains for the team. The last 11 seconds. Last 10 seconds. Last 5 seconds.
Okay, Jim, gimana? Ay, sabi mag-ilis din ha.